But today, they do this ogbonge matter wey concern Valentine. They call it a corporate classic. Why be say na your own, na income different?
Ah, anything when this life, say as person name be now, so it be now. As the person name just be now, so it dey. Everybody get your own name when they answer. Abi, you na T-Live Media, una dey answer that one. ITV get their name. Now so we get Central. Central na Central Hotel, Efedosa signature. So now the central place, then it happen with this. And when it only happen for Central, you know as it be now. Everywhere go soft.
Even at this COVID matter, you see you organize this matter and everybody come, they even space themselves, they even wear mask, everybody there, they give the sanitizer, you even sanitize the hall. How you to actualize this?
Bible say my people perish for lack of knowledge. COVID don't come, it don't come. What to do? As it don't come, so all we need to do is to take care, to make sure say governor don't talk am. Everybody will get sense now. Everybody get sense. So you keep your distance. As you keep your distance, you sanitize yourself, you cover your mask, then you go see jollificate too. So no be say now about because of COVID, me say we will not enjoy. We go enjoy, but we go get caution. You know that people when come together, family, then stay close to each other. So as every 30 minutes, we go still, make sure say the air they purified one kind. Because we buy something when we say no, they harm anybody, but if they keep waiting there for air, we still sanitize, we tell people. So by the grace of God, we play safe. And
I say Valentine I love. How you don't show the love?
See as everywhere be. Use yourself as you did, so see as everywhere yours be. Everywhere is soft now, so they love the show. They love the show for everything.
Wait to make them because everybody they talk now where we say Epedosa. Your name now Edosa everywhere. How you take the reactivate what you do you bring her to life?
Now God now. The name of that hall, Amazing Grace. This thing for airport on Amazing Grace. Nobody say no hard though, my brother. He hard. The matter hard well, but somehow, God just carry us the waka. And once we get clean heart, we honestly, so once we want to do something, we commit it into God's hand. Now so it be. This Central Hotel is supposed to be 6 months project. Now 3 years we take down. We get another one when they come soon. We now go here. Now God still down. Now God now down. God Almighty.
Thank you very much.
We thank you.
Thank you very
See
much.
life.
Thank you very much. I say make you give Chekele update when it concern 2021 for this update when they here so.
Well, my brother, what happened for you today now, big thing, because say this corona matter, got the ground since, and throughout last year, many people they fear to come out, to come flex, to come enjoy. We can't decide say, as this corona matter be, we know we allow corona continue to rule our lives. To the point that we say on a day like this, when be Valentine's Day, here we cast people to come, and I was okay. We go host this show. We want to host this show so that people will come out, couples, lovers, they will unwind, they will celebrate love, they will celebrate friendship. That make us do the show. But as we plan the show, we still tell ourselves, say, we go ensure, say, anybody when they come here, you go observe all the protocols when they for COVID-19. Face mask, wash your hands, and social distance. That's what you see today. And for the way people take come, with all the activities when take place here, you see say everything really come out well. It went to me past, when touch me past. That be that guy when propose to his wife today. Say, baby, you don't think one would do this thing. And I don't see and say, now you, now you be the woman where God created for me. Now you be my missing rib. I want to take this our relationship to the next level. Now be that will happen. Now that one sweet my belly well. Then for the competition, one couple, they win first for one, win second for another one. They come up for here with 2 phones. that will strengthen their love, will strengthen their bond of friendship. So I'm very happy for today's show.
I bet what you be couples classic?
Couples Classic means say a special time when man and woman, husband and wife, lovers will come out to celebrate their love on Valentine's Day.
Why be say for Benin City, Edo State, na ITV dey make people understand say Valentine Day exist?
Well, not just only Valentine, for every other thing, for news, for program, for entertainment, for sports, everything, ITV dey there. And the reason be say we get a very strong management team and board when they visionary, when they lead us well. That make am be say anything what we dey do, we dey take am serious. And then we also dey get people for the society, companies, businessmen and women, whether they like to support or join us to make all these kind of things they happen.
For this Ogbonge Couples Classic wey happen for 2021, what you go need to talk about the people wey support you now for this program?
I want to thank all of them, especially number one, Central Hotel Efidosa Signature. Because we started talking like 2 weeks to the event, and he agreed. Then we start our publicity. See the way the whole thing come out. We also want to thank T-Life Media, because T-Life Media join hand, made this event succeed. DJ MOG, G-Works for the decoration, and then the perfect event for all the things that happen here today. Even the likes of Playwright, when supply our gift, the Prince Builders, and other companies will support us to make sure say this event happens. So we thank all of them.
Why be sitting on your face now be Couples Classic for so over 5 years?
Because I'm maybe the chairman of the special events committee. So now we the runner.
How they do an election for that one?
Now we the runner.
Well, now what we don't already learn. First, now God grace. We get our God grace to take the duam. The second, now say we put our mind inside. The third, now say we get people when give us the platform take the duam. Because they say you sabi dance. Now because you see they watch. If person know they watch, nobody know that you they dance. You be like who they do like Mune Joker for Inside Darkness. That's how you also reach.
What do you be Couples Classic?
Well, Couples Classic now where once every year people will come out, whether you don't marry or you they date, you get girlfriend or boyfriend, or the one with some people they call fian boy or fian girl, and they'll come show their love, they'll come renew the love. They'll come enjoy that day just this special for their one kind, now only once a year, February 14th.
And where you come marry Valentine?
Well, you know, say they say one priest did that year, say the man na love, na in they represent based on the way they live in life and all that. So they just come do one kind and say, okay, that day they'll dedicate them to the man. So all over the world now, so we see him, now we just do so.
How long take succeed for this COVID matter?
Yes, you know, say when they organize them first, they get sense. Second, they get experience. Third, they understand saying that government, after God, now government. And government don't talk to CIB. They don't put all the rules for ground. So anybody when get sense go follow those rules. So now what the organizers just do. And then they second they sing saying like this, we're not doing like this. We're not allow you enter. Now we just do so.
And why be saying ITV now begin the organizer? Other ones no they.
And you know, say ITV now the leader for all these kind of things. ITV they take initiative. ITV they follow the way the thing they be. They don't know what people want per time. So they do and give them like that. For instance, this kind of day now what you want to do. 2020 people don't inside house. Some people money no day, some money they don't go spend them, they don't feel enjoy. So ITV look and say, okay, yes, COVID day. But we don't feel still enjoy that the COVID. Now they partner with all these people, including Central Hotel, Fedosa Signature. So I see how the team makes sense based on the kind of people who get sense from different partnerships when they bring come inside the matter now.
Why be saying that for so many years when they do and the game when they get now be say now awareness now they create. Why?
Because you see, anything went good to go they attract awareness, now normal thing. This kind of event now, even if you're not talking for TV or radio, people when they call you, they ask you, say, well, how far? How this February 14 will be? So ITV not going to get choice than to reach out again to their partners, put up the event again. That's what you'll be.
I God bless you.
You too, my brother. I greet you.